how to buy SHILLGUY token. So this token came under the symbol of SHILL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 months ago, as you can see. So the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's meaning your investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Phantom wallet. Click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana, of course, on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now select the provider, for example, the Refer, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SHILLGUY token. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.